How visualization hacks your brain so you become more successful. You've probably heard about visualizing as a personal development tool. Or maybe your sports coach used visualization to help motivate you and your team. But did you know there's a scientific basis for how visualization works? Neuroscientists have found that visualization actually changes the brain and can set you on the road to success. Rewire your brain. You may not realize it, but there's a powerful part of your brain that already prioritizes what you need to know. The reticular activating system, or RAS, protects your brain from being overwhelmed by the millions of bits of information that flood it every day. It acts as an email filter, discarding what you don't need to know and prioritizing important things. The RAS is influenced by both your childhood messages and what you tell it that you want to know. Ever notice how, once you decide you want a new car, you start to see that model of car everywhere? That's your RAS saying, look at this. Using visualization enables you to hack your mindset and refocus your thoughts from negative doubts to a clear, positive vision of where you want to be. Instead of anxiety about where you are now, you can visualize an alternative reality and hack your RAS to start priming you for success. Keeping your goals literally top of mind will help you focus on achieving them. Harness your brain chemistry. Your brain works with a complex system of hormones and other chemicals. You can manipulate things like your dopamine feedback loops to focus on successful behaviors. That good feeling when you win is all about the rush of dopamine that floods your brain as a kind of chemical reward. This is what keeps you motivated to try and achieve bigger and better goals. You can harness this dopamine reward system by stretching your challenges. Aim to get 2 new clients this week, 3 the next, and so on. You're feeding and encouraging your motivation by priming your dopamine loops, and as a bonus, it makes the work more fun. Use your memories. Scientists have found that you can edit your memories to focus on the good ones. Instead of remembering bad past experiences and then feeling less confident, you can bolster your motivation by remembering past successes. You can take the sting out of bad memories by playing them over and over in your mind, visualizing them getting smaller and smaller until they disappear. Conversely, you can turn up the color and volume on good memories. Make them IMAX-sized in your mind and enjoy how they make you feel. Use that vision to fuel your motivation.